It will only take a few seconds to fold these pants in this way. We will save space in your closet, drawer, suitcase or backpack, and it will not fall apart when we want to take clothes from above or below. We remind you that this is another video from your Aldo Easy channel. In this channel, we have a specific playlist on how to fold clothes. Don't forget to subscribe. And we're starting now. You'll see how easy it is. We start from the top by folding approximately in the middle of the pocket. The waistband has to be at the height of this pocket. Now we fold one leg in this way until it reaches the waistband of the pants, and we are going to fold it over. Then we fold the other leg until it reaches right up to here and fold it over again. The last step is to pass the remaining leg over the pants. We turn it over and put the lower part of the leg through this hole that has been formed. Look how easy it was. A few seconds and we have our pants in the shape of a package. We hope you find it useful. If so, please share. Don't forget to subscribe to your Aldo Easy channel. See you next video.